See that the LED is breathing, not just blinking on and off. It's fading in and out like a heartbeat. Here's how to build this in 3 minutes. All you need is one Arduino, you need one LED, one resistor, and breadboard, 2 wires, and that's it. So how do we wire it up? First off, we connect our LED positive to the digital pin 9 and then pass it through a resistor and LED. Then we connected the ground from here, which is this ground, to the negative part of the LED, and we upload our code. Here is where we did our virtual connection. Now you see the LED is blinking, so you can see a close-up connection. Comes the resistor 9, see the wiggle we are talking about, and it moves up the resistor. Then ground comes from here and goes. A close-up look code. Here is actually how the hardware. This is actually PWM, which is the LED pin 9, and we have 2 pulses. The first pulse, which is 200, and the second 150. And the second bit of pulse, which is 1 for 150, and delay is actually 80 seconds. So this is pulse between the two. Then over here we wrote our loop that fades up. You can see there, and the analog pin is actually what number for loop is actually. These are fade down with just few lines, 30 something lines of code, excluding we are including the comments. Comments are excluded, just about 12 lines code. We're able to build a heartbeat LED pulse. Looks really like a really heartbeat. And so here's where the magic happens. The code is being uploaded. We click on upload, and here you can see the light coming through, blinking. But the secret is actually in pin 9. The secret is in pin 9 that has this little wiggle over here, that has this little wiggle in front of it. So these are actually PWM pin that makes it have different pulses that move from 0 to 256 and 256 down to 0. So what this pulses does is it allows it to move in different values, analog values. That is why we have this wiggle but signs on most of all these pins. So if you want to use it, it allows you to record, while the other ones records only digital, which is 0 or 1. This actually records pulses from like analog signal. So that's actually what they do. And with this, you can see that in just 12 lines of code, which we wrote, we are in 2 minutes of wiring. You can be able to try this. And if you like this, why not subscribe for our weekly mini builds? What should I try next? Let me know in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed the heartbeat breathing.